For the last 10 years, iPhone and iOS system in particular has already reached an international standard level of functionality and app performance. At the same time, Apple users still can face different bugs and errors with the devices. One of the most common issues for iPhones is app crashing, when application doesn't respond or even open. Well, don't panic, as in this review we'll provide some helpful solutions for you. Let's get started. If you are using an outdated app version, please have a look at the compatibility with the iOS version that is running on your device. In case if app keeps crashing all the time, you should head over the official App Store service and update the app to the latest available version. For that, launch App Store application and choose Apps menu. Tap on your account logo on the top right corner and choose Apps to update. Then find the crashing app and tap on Update button. And here you go! If there are some files stuck in the RAM of your device and they are interfering with the app that you are trying to launch but keep getting crashed, you might need to clear your RAM on your iPhone by force restarting your device. Here is a guideline for different iPhone generations. iPhone and later. Quickly press volume up button and volume down button. Press and hold side button until you see the Apple logo. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Press and hold both the volume down button and the sleep wake button. When the Apple logo appears, release both buttons. iPhone 6 and earlier. Press and hold both the sleep wake button and the home button. When the Apple logo appears, release both buttons. For the third tip, all that you should try to do is to remove the crashing application and then reinstall it from the App Store. Please note that this action will remove not only the app but all of its data from the device as well, though you can copy files from app to your iCloud Drive storage. To uninstall the application, simply tap and hold on its icon for a few seconds and it will start jiggling. Then tap on the little cross icon on the app and it will uninstall the app from your iPhone. If the app is still crashing, then there is incompatibility with the iOS version running on your device. In that case, you are highly recommended to update the iOS version on your iPhone to the latest one. For that, tap on Settings on your device to launch it and then head to General, followed by Software Update menu. Next, find iOS updates for your device. If an update is available for your smartphone, it will be shown on the screen. Tap on the Download and Install button to download and install the update on your device. Then wait patiently for the process to be completed. While most apps will tell you that you don't have enough storage available for them to properly run, some applications just don't have that notification prompt and they close down without giving you any message. If you face such an issue with the app that you really want to use, you can manually check the available memory space right on your device and see if there is enough space available. For that, simply open the Settings app and tap on General followed by iPhone Storage menu. Next, on the following screen, you will find all the apps that you have installed on your device along with the amount of memory space they use on your iPhone. In case if you find an app that you don't use much but it takes a large amount of your memory, then just remove it from your device to free some memory for the apps that you really want to use. Last but not least, this tip helps you to fix any issues with crashing app despite such issues as full storage, outdated iOS versions and whatnot. Click the link in the description to download and run AnyFix utility on your PC or Mac computer. Then connect your iPhone to it via USB or Type-C cable and click on System Repair icon. Next, select App Issues and click on Start Now button. Here are 3 repair options that you can choose as you need. For our issues, click on Standard Repair option, then click on Download Firmware button. Please note that your iPhone and computer must be connected to a stable network or Wi-Fi connection. Then wait patiently during the downloading process is completed. After downloading, click on Start button to fix the issue. AnyFix will help you to get rid of any bugs and errors with the system and different apps, and your iPhone restores automatically. And here you go, just so simple as that. Hope that all the tips were kinda useful. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, like this review and share it with your friends on the social nets. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Peace.